Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your stake account into your bank account. Now, stake account is a betting account. So first of all, you got to make sure that you verify your ID before anything else works. Before you need to make a deposit. By making a deposit, you're making sure that you follow all of these rules. So then you're going to go into the OG Divin, where my account is. Then you're going to go into withdraw. It says here the user must first make a deposit. So as soon as you make a deposit, choose your account. So I want to choose a Visa account. Then make sure you press the money. Then you're going to press withdraw. Now, because I haven't deposited anything, it's not going to work for me. But as you press withdraw, you need your account sort code, your account number, and the name of your account and the amount of money that you want to withdraw. And whatever balance that you have, that balance then is going to be in withdrawal from your stake account into your bank account. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.